Okay, so we've got a iPhone 5C in green. It's got a busted up screen. We're going to go ahead and change that out. First thing you're going to want to do is take out these two screws right over there. Use a safe open pry tool to lift the glass up, or the digitizer. You should turn it off. Okay. Alright, so after that, there are gonna be 4 screws here that are holding this plate down. You're gonna want to remove those. Then there are 3 flex cable connectors connecting from the digitizer to the logic board. I'm going to carefully remove each one of those. Okay, so we got the new digitizer right here. Okay, first thing I like to do is I like to remove the bottom plate right here. This is for the home button. But be careful when you're pulling this plate off, because if you're not careful, you actually can tear the ribbon cable. So be very careful when you're doing it. There we go. Then just take the button out. Be sure to clean off any glass residue or broken pieces of glass. Make sure it's flat and flush. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, then realign all these back and just go ahead and press down on the flex cable to make sure it sticks. Take this coat off. Now we're going to remove this EMF plate. There is 1 screw on the bottom here 2 on the sides, another 2 here, and then we're going to have to remove the earpiece, or the earphone. Okay, so when taking off the EMF plate, you need to be really careful with this. You don't want to tear the cable right over here. And same with right over there. You want to make sure you don't tear those off. So be really careful while you're taking these out. Looks like I missed one. It's up here. And there's one more screw up here which I just missed. Okay, so that takes the EMF plate off. Now there's a little clear piece of plastic. This helps to align the camera so it's straight. You want to make sure to take it off of your old one and attach it onto your new one. And this is just a little piece of plastic. Replace or put the old EMF plate back on. The bottom, there's a little rubber piece here right below. On the bottom there's a circle. You want to make sure you plug this piece directly into there. There we go. Put the plastic back in there. Realign all of the cables back in. There we go. These snap in and lock. You're going to take the long screw. Long screw goes on the top. Tighten it in. And then we got the shorter one. There we go. And that's what it should look like. Alright, now we just go in reverse order here. We're going to attach first cable to the logic board. And you should feel a little snap once you put it in there. We got one more right here. And last one. There we go. Now once you got that, we got to put the plate right back on top there. So once that's on, you're going to slide, make sure that the top lip grabs on, like that. And then you're just going to slowly press down with even pressure across so you don't crack the LCD. And just go ahead and replace the bottom screws.